This is adding and subtracting integers. An integer is a positive or negative whole number. You should have 3 steps. Get out your composition book. You should have this paper in front of you. The first step in your comp book says to box your integers. So look at number 1. I have a positive 5 and a negative 8. Box your integers. Step 2 is you need to know your rules. If they have the same sign, then you're going to add. If they have different signs, what do you think we're going to do? Subtract. Same signs, add. Different signs, subtract. Well, look at your 5. I have a positive 5 and a negative 8. Same signs are different. They're different. So we're going to subtract. Okay? And 8 minus 5 is 3. Now, your third step. There's only 3 steps. Box your integers. If it has same signs, add. Different signs, subtract. And the third step is you're going to keep the sign of the largest number. All this should be in your comp book already. So, which number is larger, 8 or 5? 8. 8 is negative. My answer is negative 3. Let's look at number 5. Step 1, box our integers. Step 2, same signs or different. I have a negative 8 and a positive 10. They are different, so we are going to subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. Step 3, keep the sign of the largest number. Which number is larger, 10 or 8? 10. 10 is positive. Therefore, it's a positive 2. Let's look at something like number 3. Step 1, box your integers. Step 2, same signs are different. Well, negative 3, negative 8, same signs. So we're going to add. What is 8 plus 3? It's 11. Step 3. What is step 3? It says keep the sign of the larger number. Well, 8 is my larger number, but at the same time they're both negative. So my sign's going to be negative. You should be able to do numbers 7, 9, this whole part on your own now, using these rules. Let's talk about these word problems. You need to have this paper, the adding integers, in front of you. Okay, you need to have a highlighter or a marker, some different kind of other color. Again, this should be a review from 6th grade. Okay, let's read the first problem, number 1. A team gains 20 yards, then they lose 7. Well, which words are important in there? Gain of 20. Words in math problems have positive and negative meanings. Is the word gain a positive or negative word? It's positive. So 20, that's a positive 20. Then they lose 7 yards. Lose 7. Lose is a negative word. So that's a negative 7. So what do they have total? Well, let's start with our steps. Step 1, box your integers. Step 2, same signs are different. They're different. This is just the same problem as 20 minus 7. You should be able to solve that. Okay. Number 2, you should be able to do on your own. Let's look at number 4. Number 4. Whoops. Let's erase that. Number 4, a balloon rises. Circle rises 340 feet. Is that a positive or negative word? Positive. I'm going up. It's positive 340. Then it descends 130 feet. Descends is, it's a negative. So we're going to subtract 130. That is a simple math equation. 340 minus 130. You should be able to subtract that. 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 210 feet. Show your work. Okay?